Alrighty, let's get into this. Object-oriented programming, sometimes abbreviated OOP, is is a fairly essential part of software development. Although it's a more advanced topic, you will have quite a bit of exposure to it. If you don't strictly develop in object-oriented program methodology, you will at least encounter things that are written by other people that employ object-oriented methodology. So you want to be familiar with that. And in fact, some of the things that we've already done uh, in Python, even some of the really basic things, uh, are already using object-oriented methodology because in Python, every data type is itself an object. And you remember, we can tell this because if it's an object, then you have what are called methods associated with it, like a string method, right? Is the uCase method will, or uppercase a string, an entire string, but to call that function or that method, what we do is we use the string name dot method, and that is indicative of the string being an object as well as just a data type. So we've already used object-oriented syntax some, but now we're going to get into what it means and how to create your own objects.